Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm back again. I know it's been a while, I've been busy with some personal life stuff, but we're back again. Today I'm at Richmond Park for episode, I think 5 of my London series. As you can see, the clouds don't look too promising, so hopefully we can get around the park before it starts raining. Also, it's very windy today, so I might have to add subtitles in if you can't hear me, so apologies in advance for all the wind noise and buffing sounds you're probably going to hear today. But anyway, let's get on with the video. So, if you guys live in London or live around the London region, I'm pretty sure you've all heard of Richmond Park. It's the largest royal park in London. It was formed in the late 16th century, I think, when the Parliament moved itself down to Richmond to avoid the bubonic plague. So for the first 300 years of its existence, Richmond Park was actually closed off and just used by the royal family exclusively for deer hunting, and that's what it's most widely known for today. In fact, if you look behind me, you can actually see some deer. Let's get a bit closer to them. As you can see, there's loads of deer here, and there's loads more all the way around the park. I don't recommend getting too close to them unless you fancy getting attacked by a deer with its antlers. I don't know if you can see, but it seems like these deer are fighting. Look at that. Which one do you think is going to win? The one on the left or the one on the right? So we're at the Isabella plantation right now, which is supposed to be a really nice garden with loads of beautiful flowers. Flowers aren't really my thing, but they always look good on Instagram, so hopefully we get some good shots. As you can see here, there's loads of random paths you can take, which all take less than half an hour. I think we're going to walk down that way. Let's go. So as you can see, we have a bunch of flowers in front of us. I generally have no idea what these are, but if you do, comment down below. So we've got some more flowers over here. Again, still don't know what any of these flowers are. So the plantation isn't as beautiful as the photos on Google made them look out to be. I know it's August and flowering season is usually in April or May. However, it's still a bit of a letdown. The park is a really good place to come with your family for a picnic or just to chill with friends really. There's loads of small cafes dotted all the way around the park. It's also really well known for cycling. The cycling road race from London to Surrey Classic usually goes through the park, and there's a whole road that goes around the whole way around the park, which you find loads of cyclists on. Usually takes about 20 minutes to half an hour to complete. I used to do it myself when I was a lot fitter back in the days, but those days are long gone now. So the wind's really picked up a bit, so apologies if you can't hear me properly. But yeah, one of the main reasons why I came to Richmond Park today is because Richmond Park is the only royal park where you can fly drones legally. I know people fly drones in other parks illegally, but Richmond Park is the only place where you can do it legally. You can do it in a place called Flying Field, for those of you familiar with Richmond Park. It's just by the Sheen Gate, to the north end of the park. And yeah, being such a large park and being so close to London, hopefully I should be able to get some really good camera shots. Let's see. So a couple of people flying kites in the distance and making use of the wind. We found a flat bit of land away from everyone else to fly the drone, so hopefully we should get no disturbances. So back in the car, the rain and the wind just got too much to do any kind of filming. Apology that this is going to be a very short video. Richmond Park is too big and I didn't have time to go around the whole park. But yeah, I might come back here another day to film another episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all your support recently. I've finally hit 200 subscribers. So next target is 300. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I should be going to an international trip very soon. And so yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyway, until then, see you guys.